Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video, we'll be going into CVS to do this week's deals. Newbies, make sure you scan your card here at the red box, the coupon center, just like you see me doing here, to get as many of your CRTs to print out as possible. All right, y'all, I have made it home. This is everything that I picked up at CVS on today. My mission was to get some Dreft laundry detergent because I messed around yesterday and washed the baby's clothes with the Dreft, and then I threw in some of those Dreft Blissfuls. Oh my God, I am in love with the way this stuff smells. It smells 10 times better like on the clothes than it does in the bottle. But anyway, that was my mission today. So mission accomplished, and I picked up some other items that I was interested in. Did not want any makeup or shampoo, so I bypassed those deals this week. But if you are interested in those deals, of course, feel free to do them. I just didn't want that stuff. Anyway, moving on to what I picked up. Like always, I am going to break down each individual deal and then let you know how I made out at the end. All right. First, starting off with the Eucerin deal. These are on sale this week. I know I jacked it up last week, but they on sale for real this week. All right. So it's spend 20, get 10 like it always is. I picked up the daily hydration cream. That's priced at $10.49 at my store. Also picked up the skin calming cream. It's priced at $9.29 at my store. Total came up to $19.78. Because my store participates in a 90% rule, I only needed to spend $19.60. So I was over. I used a 4 off of 20 CRT, lotion CRT. And then I used two $3 off of 1 manufacturer coupons from the Eucerin website. Those coupons also came out in the Smart Source today, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so I was left to pay $9.78, getting back a $10 ECB, making these free plus a 22-cent moneymaker, and they do track toward beauty. All right, the Dow body wash. This is a really good deal. It's actually a moneymaker if you have the Ibotta offer. If not, it would just be free. So two of these are priced this week at 25% off. They are priced at my store at $6.49. Your store's price may vary. So 20% off, it took it down to $4.86. We have a BOGO coupon that came out in today's save insert, as well as a BOGO digital coupon. All right. right? So buy two, clip that digital, and use one paper coupon. It will make them both free. There is $1 Ibotta rebates on Ibotta, which will make it free, plus a $2 moneymaker if you have those offers. Now keep in mind, in my second transaction, I wanted to point something out. When she gave me the full value of that dial coupon, my digital did not come off. It recognized that a coupon was already attached to it. But when we voided it and re-rang it, and she put in the actual price of the item, the digital came off. So keep that in mind, just in case if your digital does not come off, void it, and make sure they put in the exact price of the item. So free plus a $2 moneymaker there. The Garnier Micellar Makeup Removing Wipes or towelettes. These are priced BOGO this week at $7.59. And then when you buy two, you get back a $5 ECB. Okay, so two of them will come up to $11.38. I had a 2 off for one Micellar CRT. And then I used two $2 off of one coupons. One of them was printable on coupons.com, and then one of them was a digital. So I paid $5.38, got back the $5 ECB, making these making these 38 cents for two or 19 cents each, and they do track toward beauty. All right, the Colgate toothpaste. This is also a moneymaker. All right, so you will buy just two of these. Priced at $3.99 this week. When you buy two, you will get back a $5 ECB. Two of them will come up to $7.98. Clip, if you already have those 3 off for 2 digital coupons clip. I checked my other account and they were gone because I did not clip them, but I had them clipped on this account. So both of these will come off for just two tubes of toothpaste. So take off $6, and then you will pay $1.98, get back the $5 ECB, making it free, plus a $3.02 moneymaker. The Sure deodorant. This is an easy freebie. It's $2, no coupons. You'll get $2 back, making it completely free. All right. So let me show you what my receipt looks like. You can see the Sure at the top, the Colgate, the Dial, the Garnier, and the Eucerin. Here are all of my coupons. That $4.86 at the top, that is that BOGO Dial coupon. And then the rest of those coupons that are scanned are my manufacturer coupons for the Eucerin and then for the Garnier. You can see the digitals came off. Both of those Colgates came off. That Dial BOGO came off. Took off the $4.86. I had a 4 for $20 lotion. 2 off for the Garnier Micellar. And then I used $18 in ECBs. Paid $1.14 on a Fetch gift card. And then I got back $2 for the Sure deodorant. And then I got back $5 for the Colgate, $10 for the Eucerin, and then $5 for the Garnier. All right, so this was a moneymaker, and then I submitted to Ibotta for the $2 back. So it was like, I don't even feel like adding it up. It was a moneymaker. 10, 20, 22. I got back 22 plus the 2 for my Ibotta, which is 24. So yeah, 18, let's see, 19, 14, and got back 24. All right, so it was a moneymaker here. All right, moving on to my next transaction on this card, which was the spend 30, get 10. And then I also threw in some water. All right, so for the first spend 30, get 10 deal that I did was 2 of the Dreft priced at $11.94. And then I threw in 2 of the Huggies. Well, first of all, for the Dreft, I used 2 $3 off of 1 coupons from the March P&G. keep in mind, those coupons do have a limit on it. Do whatever your store allows. My store allows me to use whatever I need to complete my deals, all right? So I use two $3 off of one manufacturer coupons. And then the Huggies wipes, these are priced buy one, get one half off at $4.29. Two of them will come up to $6.43. So for all 4 items, it came up to $30.31. I had a 2 off of 6 wipes CRT, $1 off of 2 wipes printable coupon from the Huggies website. And then both of those Dreft manufacturer coupons. So after all of those coupons came off, I was left to pay $21.31, getting back the $10 ECB, making it $11.31 for all 4 items. All right, which I was cool with that because I'll tell you in a second, but I was cool with that. And then I also threw in the water, which is priced $2.99. 2 of them will come up to $5.98. I had a 2 off of 2 CRT and then a 1 off of 5 CRT, taking off $3, making it $2.98 for both, or about $1.49 each. All right. So here is this receipt. You can see the water at the top, the Dreft laundry detergent, and then the 2 Huggies. That the $1 Huggies coupon, the 2 Dreft coupons. You can see the CRTs for the water and then the wipes. Then I used $20 at ECBs. I paid $4.29 on a Fetch gift card, but then I got back $10. Now, I did go down in ECBs, but that was perfectly fine because if you saw my Instagram post from earlier this week, you saw that Kroger paid me pretty good for some ice cream that I purchased. It was a huge moneymaker. So what I did is I redeemed 4 Fetch gift cards to cover some of my balance here. I did not redeem enough to pay everything I could have, but I just wanted it to get the items in my price range, if you know what I mean. Y'all know how I do. All right, so that is everything on this card. Let me give you the final breakdown. I started off with $18 in ECBs for these items right here. $18 in ECBs. I put $5.43 on a Fetch gift card, which is free money. So I'm not counting that. So I was just concerned about getting my $18 back. So I am ending with $12 here. And then $3 in 2 days, because I only needed like $29 to get my next beauty reward. This was almost $20 and this was like almost $11.50. So that is more than enough to give me that $3 back in a few days. And then on Ibotta, I got $2 there. So I am ending with $15. All right. I'm just concerned about my $18, ending with $15. Making all 15 items just $3 or around 20 cents each. All right, moving on to what I did on this card over here. All right, so what I did is I repeated the Dow deal over here. This is a transaction that I actually had to start over with because my subtotal was like $4 and change. I'm like, something ain't right. So we rerun and she put in the actual price of the Dow and it worked. Okay. So once again, buy 2 of these, clip that digital, use 1 paper coupon from today's insert. Both will be free. If you have the Ibotta rebate, submit to get $2 back. It'll be a $2 moneymaker. All right. Here's my other spend 30, get 10 deal. I picked up 2 of the Dreft. And then 1 of the Persil. The Dreft again is $1. Excuse me, not $1. I wish. $11.94 each. And then the Persil is $5.99 each. There is a digital coupon for the Persil, as well as coupons in today's inserts. You can use whichever one you would like to use. I use the one on the app because that one expires first, okay? So all of these items came up to $29.87. I only needed to spend $29.40 because of the 98% rule. So $29.87 minus the $3 coupons for the Dreft from the March P&G, and then the $2 digital for the Persil. All right, so I was left to pay $21.87, get back the $10 ECB, making all three items $11.87. I was perfectly fine with that because if y'all remember that memory focus deal that we did a few weeks ago, this is on my main card that I have not been using, so I've just been letting that money sit. What I did was I took that money and I blew it on the items that I wanted. All right, that is the purpose of money makers. Save them up. Whenever you feel like blowing it, you can do it and it all balances out, makes everything free or very cheap, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, and so the Sure, I also threw that in. $2, get back $2, making it free. And then I threw in the Reese's White. I love these. These are priced 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. I had $1 off of 2 digital CRT. I think it was CRT that came off, making these $1 or 50 cents each. All right, so let me show you what this receipt looks like. You can see the Reese's at the top, the Dreft, the Sure, and then the Persil, and then the Dow. All right, you can see that $4.86, that is that Dow BOGO coupon, the 2 Dreft coupons, the Dow digital, the Persil digital, the $1 off of 2 for the candy, and then I used $24.87 in ECBs. I zeroed out, and then I got back $2 for the Sure deodorant, and then $10 for the Dreft and the Persil to spend 30, get 10. So I used $24.87 on this card. I didn't pay anything on a gift card, anything, but that was just ECBs. 10 of that was free money, which I don't care about because that memory focus deal was a $10 money maker on this card. All right, so I was only concerned about the $14.87. All right, but I am ending with $12. All right, so that made all 8 items just $2.87 or about 36 cents each. All right, when we combine all of this, you're looking at 23 items here. Everything cost me $5.87 or about 26 cents each. All right, so this week at CVS was amazing in my opinion because I wanted this Dreft so bad. If y'all have not tried Dreft, oh my goodness, y'all need to. I'm trying to save it for the baby though. I really am trying to save it for her. But anyway, if you guys have any questions about anything that you have seen in this video, please post them below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.